Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install and how to set up Google Family Link on your child's Motorola Edge 30. So, firstly you need to log out of all Google accounts on the child's phone. Then open menu, open settings, then scroll down again, click passwords and accounts, click add account, Google, and add child's Google account. But you need to know that if the child knows the password from his own account, he will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link. So you need to create an account with a password that child's will not know. So enter child's email, and child's password. Put the good phone, click next. Turn on backup, okay. Click I agree. Scroll down, click accept. Cool. Now go back to the settings menu, click Google. Try again. Scroll down, click Google. Okay. So now scroll down, click parental controls, get started, child or teen, next. Then choose child's Google account here, and now you need to log in, you need to link child's Google account to your Google account, so you need to enter your Google account. So enter email, and enter a password. Click next. So scroll down, confirm everything by entering child's password. Click agree, click allow supervision, then click next, more, and next. Now wait a while, scroll down, click next last time, and cool. Now you can go back to the home screen. As you can see, part of my apps was successfully blocked. Yeah. So cool. Now you need to install Google Family Link application on your device, on the parent's device. So it can be iOS device, it can be Android device, it can be Windows device. So you need to install Google Family Link application on your device. Click open, scroll down, log into linked Google account, click allow, and cool. Here you will see linked child's Google account. In my case it's HDUDB. Cool, as you can see we have full control of the child's phone. For example, we can lock his device, Motorola Edge 30, for example. I can play sound, I don't know why.
Hello,
Stop it, please. Okay. So we can we can block his device, we can block developer options for him, we can block separate applications on his device. How we can do it? So you need to choose here more button and set limits for child device. For example, I want to unlock the Google Chrome, for example. So by clicking on Google Chrome button and clicking always allow or no limit, by clicking on this button, Google Chrome was successfully unlocked on the child's phone. As you can see, it works. So thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, comment this video, and bye. See you again.